The following portion of Let's Grow It is sponsored by Stutzmans.
Hey everybody, welcome back to the show. Continuing now here at Stutzmans in Pleasant View as they are kicking off spring. We're joined with Ben and of course Molly. You guys remember Molly being on the show before. Thank you guys for being with us. She is the star. She's the star of the show here today. But like I said, kicking off spring.
And beautiful weather. You know, we talk about spring really kicking off and when can we plant and things like that. Our average frost free obviously is around the 15th of April. So for that to occur, we know that we'll get past some of this nicer weather and be reminded again of what early spring can be.
Yeah.
But you know, we're in the process of getting things really set up, particularly here in Pleasant View right now, with a lot of the different things with spring. Our seasonal garden centers, we always target for about the 1st of April, and that's coming up.
Yes.
And this year, of course, we opened up with things that can handle cooler temperatures initially, but by the 15th, our centers are all in full swing.
Yeah. What does that process really look like? I know it's something you plan for year round, but this is go time.
It's go time. Initially, as we open up, and like I said, we plan to have them pretty well all opened up by the 1st of April, and that's all, like I said, weather pending. But we'll start up with pansies, we'll start up with some of the vegetables that can handle colder temperatures, your cold crops and things like that. And of course there's annuals also that can handle the frost. And then of course the perennials will all be out at that point and kind of get things rolling.
Yeah, and so people obviously have their own garden centers within their community, but Pleasant View here is open year-round. You're going to have the same stuff that you'll have at these garden centers.
Actually, Pleasant View has a larger selection just by virtue of the fact that it's a bigger facility and can handle a lot more. But no, it's some of the stores will have maybe a little bit more of abbreviated versions of what we have here in Pleasant View. And it's all because of the footprint sizes that we have and what we can tuck in. And it's amazing how much we can really get into some of these garden centers.
Yeah.
But Pleasant View actually, for an early season, with all the seeds and supplies for getting things started, is really very helpful.
Well, a lot of great things going on. I know you can always find houseplants and things like that year-round here at Pleasant View. How can people find more information about Pleasant View or any of your garden centers?
You can always go to Stutzmans.com. Or if you have some questions with Jason, who does their Stutzmans Home and Garden Show, go to questions@stutzmans.com, and of course always track us on Facebook.
All right, Molly, do you have anything to add today?
Say hi.
So sweet. Thank you guys so much for being with me today.
Thank you. Love what you do.
Make sure to keep an eye out for those garden centers coming to your community. More of the show coming up next.
The preceding portion of Let's Grow It is sponsored by Stutzmans.
Hi, this is Ben Miller with Stutzmans Greenhouse. Since 1956, our dedication and commitment to your gardening needs has never wavered. The passion for gardening is not only America's #1 hobby, it's a lifestyle too. We're here to help you year-round with your gardening needs. Have questions? Email us at questions@stutzmans.com. And to keep up with everything happening at Stutzmans, please join us at Facebook and visit us at stutzmans.com. From our garden to yours, expect success with Stutzmans. This is our promise to you.